Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about radicals. So what I mean by radicals are this little symbol here, the square root symbol. It's also called the radical sign, mostly because it could be other kinds of roots as well. It's not just a square root, so we call it a radical sign. If you have a number like 160, something that you need to do, if you just have a number there, is think about your perfect squares, because that's a square root. So 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, and continue on. 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, so I'm just squaring each of the numbers, multiplying them by themselves. And you'll notice these numbers run down the center of the multiplication chart. So 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, so those are a few numbers there. And what you need to do if you have just the numbers, find the biggest number that goes into this. So you'll often have a couple of options. With 160, 4 will go into 160. But 16 will go into 160, and that's better. You want the biggest number possible that will go into it. So we're going to break this up. 160 is 16 times 10. And then the square root of 16 becomes 4. So the square root of 16 is 4. So this is a more simplified form of the expression, okay? Because basically the rule is that you can't have any perfect squares that go into this number so that our answers will all look the same. If you don't do that, the answers won't look the same in the end. Okay, you could have different numbers.